Dr. Sam Phillips Biography, Career, Education, Award. Sam Phillips was a South African revered actor, director, producer, writer, and music composer who featured in well-known productions including Phamokate, Backstage, Soul City, The Wild, and Isibaya. Education. He attended Langa High School in Cape Town. Career. His acting career began in the theater space back when he attended Langa High School in Cape Town. In his 20s, he joined the Non-Racial People's Space Theater in 1974 and starred in the first multiracial production Lysistrata of the Space. He moved to Johannesburg in the 80s when he decided to make the switch and join the television industry. Sam Phillips was one of the first faces to appear on SABC TV2 in 1980. He played an important role in educating South Africans about HIV/AIDS as one of the leads in Soul City and other shows like Phamokate. He also featured in numerous programs including religious ones such as Mana Wasiri and Ndibali like Xolani. He has also featured in international plays like Athol Fugard's Master Harold and The Boys in New Orleans.